Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to know your bank account number, RCBC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up our web page and go to RCBC account login page. Here it is here, RCBC online banking. Now what you need to do here, once you're here, we need to put in your user ID or password. If you've forgotten your user ID, just go ahead and click on this button and follow the steps to recover it. Now, once you're logged in using your account credentials, you'll land on the dashboard. Find accounts, you will see a list of enrolled accounts. Your account number is usually shown partially masked like 123.5678. Click on the account name or view details to see the full account number. You can also go to the e-statements or account history section to view or download your past statements, which include your full account number there as well.